Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel DesignDynamo, and today's video we are going to learn how to create artistic effects using artificial intelligence in Photoshop 2024. You can turn any photo to painting using generative fill, and it is so much easy with this technique. So let's get started. Now guys, as you know that Photoshop's generative fill is a powerful tool for turning photos into artistic creations. So I'll show you how you can turn any photo into watercolor painting, oil painting. So let's check it out, our first example. So here, just select this picture and go to select and select edit in quick mask mode. And here you will see a quick mask is created here in the layer panel. After that, you go to edit and here select fill to make a selection. So I'm going to select color and hit OK. And here in the color picker options, you see HSB, hue, saturation and brightness. So here I'll just change the value of brightness to 20 or 30. It's depend upon you, and hit OK. Again, go to select and uncheck this edit in quick mask mode. After that, go to generative fill. Here in the contextual taskbar, write a prompt watercolor and hit generate. And look at this guys, with the help of generative fill, so you can turn any photo into painting. So here, look at this guys, check it out. That's really fantastic. Now guys, let's check it out, our other example. So how you turn photo into painting. So in this picture, we're just going to turn our background into painting, all painting. So you can turn photo into painting in a very easy method with the help of generative fill. So before, we can just use a mask to create a smoother transitions. So mask allow you to gradually fade the effect in and out. So first, we're just going to copy this background layer. So, and then after that, we're just going to select our subject. To separate our subject, make a copy of the subject. So go to select in the contextual taskbar here, select subject, and I'm going to make a copy. So press Command C on a Mac and Control C on Windows, and Command V or Control V to paste our subject, and select our background layer and repeat that process. Go to select, edit in quick mask mode, go to edit and select fill. And here you choose color and the brightness value, select 10, hit OK. And after that, go to select, deselect, edit and mask, and go to generative fill and write a prompt for painting and hit generate. And look at this guys, how beautifully generative fill turned the background into all painting. And here you'll see the rest 3 options. And I really like this method to convert any photo into oil painting. So with the help of generative fill, so let's check it out, our subject. So here we're just going to layer, further refine our selection. So select this mask. So I'm just going to select brush tool, press B, and I'm going to paint it to, because we don't want our subject, this effect over our subject, we don't want it. We only want oil painting effect only in the background. And look at this guys, we're just going to make it in a full screen mode. Now guys, let's check it out, our other example. So you can do this with any method. So same method we repeated, go to select and edit in quick mask mode, go to edit, fill, and now this time we're just going to select the color value to 10 here. We just change to 10 and hit OK. Select, deselect the edit quick mask mode and write a prompt, oil painting, and hit generate. And now guys, look at these some options, and you can see how powerful Photoshop generative fill. So it can turn photo into painting in a very easy way. So let's check it out. and this option is much better. Now guys, let's check it out our other example. And in this picture, same method, we just going to convert our background into oil painting effect. So for this, we just going to select our subject, make a copy, and remove our subject from background, and select our subject and make a copy of this subject. And here you'll see a new layer is created. You'll see this one. And after that, we just go to channel, and in this method we're just going to mask, allow you to gradually fade the effect into in and out. So create a new alpha channel. If you'll not find channel here, you just go to Windows, and here you will find channels, enable it from here. So after that, we're just going to create a new channel. Here downside you will see the plus sign, so just click this and create a new alpha channel, and go to foreground layer, and this time we just select the brightness level to 30% and HSV same 0. Set this value, hit OK. Go back to channel and press option delete and press command click and hold this to make a selection. After that, just enable the RGB channel and hide this alpha channel. Go to layer and select our background layer and go to generative fill, write a prompt oil painting and hit generate. And look at this guys, the variations and how you can easily turn your photo into oil painting effects by using generative AI. Look at this guys, the options, and you can cover all the picture. You can convert all complete picture into oil painting effect. So it's up to you. In this example, we're just going to change our prompt. So the same process, we're just going to make a selection. So go to select and edit in quick mask mode and go to edit and fill. This time we're just going to select brightness to 30%, hit OK. I'm just going to repeat the process, edit and deselect this and go to generative fill and write a prompt splash painting. And look at this guys, let's check it out our result, and it is awesome. Let's check it out our other example, and in this picture we're just going to convert complete picture into oil painting. So first we're just going to select our image and go to select, repeat same process, edit in quick mask mode and go to edit and here select fill. This time we're just going to change the brightness value to 30 and hit OK. Deselect this quick mask tool and go to generative fill and write a prompt oil painting and hit generate. Now guys, let's check it out our 3 examples. I think I like this one, but we want to reveal the face of that model. So just going to select this layer mask, press B, select the brush tool and simply paint over, and here you're just going to reduce the flow like so, 60s, and the opacity of brush as well, and slightly just paint over your image to reveal the face. And here you can change or switch. Just going to, I think this one is better, so you can easily convert or turn your image into oil painting effect by using generative fill. I think this is all about how to turn your photo to create artistic effects in Photoshop by using artificial intelligence using generative fill. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel DesignDynamo. Thanks for watching.